Good morning traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So the inverse head and shoulders is definitely in play at the moment. We have broken through the next neckline. We've got a daily close below it, and this was the next neckline. Okay, so there's my shoulder, there's my head, and there's my shoulder. We've broken through. We've got a daily close below that. So we should be looking for shorts. So you want to be selling. You want to be selling the pullbacks. Okay, and the ultimate target at the moment, I am going to give you two targets here. It's like that. Okay, so you can see the white block is the head and shoulders target. That is your first area of support, and we've got gaps down here which are going to be magnets. So that's the first pretty solid area of support. There's actually another area of support right there. So you can see that tail and that tail, and you can see that's pretty much at the 50% of the range break or the head and shoulders break. So three levels that we're looking at is 11,591, then we're looking at 11,269, and then we're looking at 10,986. okay, so let's just get rid of the block and let's get down to what we can trade. Okay, so just looking at yesterday, you can see we had a change in direction on the 3-hour rejection. No, it wasn't quite a rejection, the moving average at the open. I think this was Thursday. No, it wasn't Thursday, this was Wednesday. So Wednesday, no, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, yeah. Anyway, last week we had that rejection there, and pretty much one-way traffic from there. Closed on Friday there, gap down Monday, and Tuesday continued. Tuesday a bit of a gap up and then continued to the downside. So we didn't quite get the pullback that I was looking for. I was looking for a pullback back onto structure, would have been up there. That would have been a signal for me to be short, so didn't really get in on this one. If you look at the hour, you'll see we missed that pullback. Not even, I mean, we weren't even close. We weren't even in the ballpark. But what we did go and tag is this Brooks gap right here. So if I take that level and move it there, you can see that's the exact area where we tagged and rejected off there. Okay, so trend is still down on the hour. You should be looking to sell. So you're looking to sell the pullbacks. And my advice to you at the moment would be look for pullbacks to the area of 12,056, or alternatively there is a little Brooks gap here which may work as well, which is around there. Now if I just shoot across the left quickly, you're going to see we've got a little bit of congestion here over there. See the tail down, tails up. So 11,842 is going to offer some sort of support. Okay, so yeah, just be wary here as well, because it does look like there's a bit of a wedge forming here. So you can see there's the downward trend line, and there's the other trend line there. I'll just draw it in, make the chart really messy for us. There's the one, and then there's the other one. Okay, so just be wary of that, and I'm going to keep these levels in. So typically what can happen, I just want to get my levels so we don't delete them, delete that. So typically what can happen when you see a wedge like that is we all of a sudden get a breakout to the upside, and then this big gap here would be a proper magnet anyway. I don't think there's anything like that brewing right now. Let me just get to the futures market here. And the DAX futures is down 0.3%, finishing down 0.9% yesterday. All the US futures are down at the moment. And what else is there to worry about? Nothing really. Okay, so yeah, I think for me anyway, I'd be wanting to ride this trend. So the trend is down, we've got a daily break, there's a head and shoulders target, so I'm looking for the pullbacks and looking to sell on those pullbacks. So what's probably going to happen is move down, find support here at 11,842, move back up to a trend line or something like that and move down. Just watch out for the gap. That's the gap here and this wedge. That's just watch out for that structure. Okay. Anyway, that's kind of my plan of action on the DAX. It does offer some half decent shorts at the moment. So we'll be waiting for some structure. And looking at the 15 minutes, you can see also pretty well defined trend, sticking to the moving average, testing it. So any moves back up into this zone and we get some rejections off here, 12,056 and 11,994. So let's just say a retest of 1200. We're looking for a rejection of 1200. That will give us shorts. So that would make the most sense there. It gives you a 100 point risk for 150 point reward. That's the first move down, and then obviously you've got the next move down as well. Okay, anyway, that's my view on the DAX. I think we are in for a little bit more downside, so shorting the pullbacks is the way I'm going today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.